Welcome to PAC TV. I'm Calvin, and today is Wednesday, April 17th.
And I'm Bryce, and today we should all go upstairs and salute our librarians because it's National Librarian Day.
Our librarians do an amazing job with activities and just being a huge advocate for reading. So go up there and let them know how great they are.
And speaking of how cool our librarians are, they are forgiving fines and late fees if you bring your book the week of the 29th, and they will wipe your slate clean. But it's only that week. Librarians, we salute you.
Prom is this Saturday, April 20th, so get your $15 tickets ASAP. And remember, if you're bringing a date from another school, make sure to fill out the guest form before Friday.
And the dress theme for tomorrow is to wear yellow. Then Friday is Spirit Day, so wear Fremont.
The activities today are a drill down in the gym with Misty, Thursday will be, and Friday is the annual Spring Pack Party.
Remember, if you dress up, go to the office and put your name in for a raffle to win prizes.
And now for some club news.
The big event is this Friday because it's the Spring Pack Party, one of the most fun events of the year. Food, trucks, games, prizes, activities, and a car show. That's this Friday during both lunches. Take a look at this.
Also on Monday the 29th, there are numerous activities going on. First during lunches and after school. The Paw Print will be selling mixed sodas.
Then after school it will be Hope Night. They'll have food trucks and activities, and everyone is invited.
And to kick off Hope Night, NHS has a puppy run. Watch this.
FCCLA officer applications are now open for next year. If you're interested, make sure to pick up an application in Mrs. Bounty's room and turn in it on the 26th.
The Final Food Friday will be on April 25th, so make sure you don't miss out. Head down to B113 next Thursday to buy some sweet and savory treats.
And there will be a mandatory pre-tryout meeting for the Silver Line on the 18th at 6 in the lecture hall. Scan a QR code in the hallway to sign up.
And finally, in club news, choir auditions for next year starts now, which means get with Mr. Anderson to schedule a time between now and the end of the month, and those times will be after school.
And now let's find out what's happening in the world with some news.
Well, get this, NASA is really smart, but not that smart when dealing with garbage. Astronauts from the International Space Station allowed garbage to fall through the atmosphere, believing it will burn up and disintegrate on re-entry.
Well, it all burnt up except for a small piece that crashed through a home in Naples, Florida, nearly hitting a kid. It definitely went through the roof, a ceiling, and put a hole in the floor. NASA definitely miscalculated that one.
And with that, let's head to Cali with sports in the locker room.
Thanks, I'm Callie with... And let's start with girls lacrosse. Kate Jenkins led the Lady Wolves with 3 goals and 4 assists to help the Wolves beat Weaver 15-5 last night. Nice job, ladies. The softball team also beat up on the Warriors with a 13-3 win. Savannah Palmatier had 1 home run and 5 RBIs. The boys lacrosse team also took on Weber yesterday and beat them 13-10. Meanwhile, the boys soccer team will play Weber this afternoon up on the hill. The baseball team had to move yesterday's game and they will be at Davis this afternoon. This Thursday and Friday's games for most of our sports teams will be against Syracuse. Good luck to our teams. Also, there's a meeting next Wednesday on the 24th for anyone interested in playing for girls soccer next year for Fremont. If you would like an application for the Gold Watch Award, or otherwise known as Fremont's Best Athlete, get an application from Coach Mullaney or a secretary in the office. Applications are due the 23rd. And in national sports, the NBA Western Conference play-in games were last night, and the Golden State Warriors were sent packing home. The playoffs have begun. And that's it for sports. Back to you two at the desk.
The last opportunities for attendance credit makeup are the FAFSA night on the 22nd, the job fair on the 25th, and Hope night on the 29th. If you head to one of these activities, you can get 0.5 credit made up.
Seniors, also make sure to check with the bookkeeper to see if you have any fines. If there are any on your record, you will not be able to graduate.
And if you are interested in being on PAC TV for next year, please see Mr. Smith this week.
That's it for PAC TV. Have a great day, Wolves.
Thank you.